Hi friends, for our math journal today, we're going to do counting ice cream math. Now remember, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Now our directions for this activity say count, cut, and paste to match. So let's look at our ice cream cones. We have the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to look at my strip at the side. I'm going to cut that piece off. I'm actually going to cut across the bottom too, like that, and then I'm going to cut this strip off. I'm going to look at that first scoop of ice cream in the hand. Okay, I'm going to look at that hand, and I see that there are 5 fingers up. So I'm going to glue this first one on the number 5 ice cream cone. Okay, now you're going to do the rest on your own. You're going to count each one, and when you figure out how many, you're going to match it to the correct ice cream cone. When you're done, you're going to turn to the next blank page in your math journal, and you are going to glue in your math journal activity. Friends, when you are done cutting and gluing, if you have time, you may also neatly color. Remember, we're doing our very best kindergarten coloring, and don't use really dark colors because then I'm not able to see what you did. All right, remember to bring this back with you at the end of the day. I will see you back.